What if I was to tell you that your money isn't your money? This is 10 reasons why you need some Bitcoin. Number one, your money's not your money. Last week I went to go send $6,000 to my retirement account. Couldn't do it. My account couldn't send more than $5,000 to another one of my accounts. That's because the money in your bank account isn't your money. It's the bank's money. It's a number in a spreadsheet that they owe you, quote. I also went a couple weeks ago to try to pull out $600 from an ATM. Nope, couldn't do it. Capped at $200. That money's not your money. Number two, these intermediaries, these middlemen, can either deny and censor or cap your transactions of your money. So these cross-border payments or remittances, try sending $20 to Mexico. Tell me how that goes. I had to put a down payment on my rental house. I had to get 6 cashier's checks, 6 separate cashier's checks for that. Good luck doing that on a holiday, a weekend, or after hours. It's not possible. You know why? Trust. Number three, currencies and money require trust. Are you going to trust those intermediaries and middlemen after all these banks get fined hundreds of millions of dollars for money laundering, shortcutting and cheating their clients? Or are you going to trust code? It's black and white. It's there. It's auditable. It works. Number four, fiat currencies do not work. They either die or get hyperinflated away. There has been one fiat currency that has lasted, that has been successful. It's been around for 317 years, the pound sterling. And in that time, it has devalued 99.5% of its value. If you need any cases in hyperinflation, just look at Zimbabwe, North Korea, Greece, or Venezuela and see how they've been ravaged by their currencies. Bitcoin fixes this. Number five, Bitcoin is the closest thing that we have to a deflationary currency. All currencies, in fact, are inflationary. Even gold is continuing to be mined out of the ground, is continuing to be minted. Modern monetary theory is even more scary than that because that just states that we can create US dollars out of thin air and don't have to worry about it at all. Most Federal Reserves right now are shooting somewhere in the ballpark of a 2% inflation. Guaranteed you will lose 2% of your money over time. Number six, USD inflation. The US dollar has lost 93% of its value over the last 100 years. So if you were going to buy an item for $1,000, now 100 years later, that item costs $12,000. That's another successful currency. Number seven, a simple hedge or diversification is a great way to not lose money. It's very easy to make money in fits and starts. It is very difficult to preserve your money as it grows throughout time. A simple 5% allocation in Bitcoin is a great non-correlated asymmetric hedge on inflation or on stock market crashing. Metcalfe's law, designed for the telephony system, states that a network is powerful in relation to the square of its nodes. So for every single individual that's in Bitcoin or is running a node or owns Bitcoin, it becomes that much more powerful. It has that network effect. Metcalfe's law is increasing the value of Bitcoin. Along with that, number nine is the Lindy effect. The Lindy effect states for technology, it is likely to be around the longer it has been around. So Bitcoin has been around for 10 years. It's likely to be around for another 10 years. So the longer that Bitcoin survives, the more likely it will be to survive longer. And number 10, sheer performance. History has shown very predictably 4-year cycles of boom and bust, of growth, bubble, catastrophic retracement. This coincides very predictably with the 4-year cycles of what's called the halvening. We just had the halvening in May. We will, as history has shown, see a significant appreciation in that. Simple. Go out, get some Bitcoin, not financial advice.